Hi, hello. I hope all are safe during this pandemic. Now we'll know about e-filing 2.0. Normally, income tax filing, when it comes to the concept of income tax e-filing of returns, one biggest question mark arises in every common layman, every common individual's mind. That is, what is e-filing? What is this e-filing of returns? And now that is one more point or one more is arised, that is 2.0. What is this 2.0? I knew what is this 2.0. Many people are not aware about this 2.0. First of all, few people are not aware about e-filing only. Then again, the income tax department introduced one more concept called 2.0. Many people are thinking like that. Many people are also asked that what is this 2.0. They also read news about this 2.0. And I think it is not like a next version of income tax e-filing. It is just an upgradation of website. Earlier we had a old website. Now the Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) has upgraded the income tax e-filing website to the new website that is popularly called as 2.0. Even income tax department only itself it is called it as 2.0. So it has more variety of different options. Many things are changed and many new concepts are introduced here, and a new different dashboard, a new different chat option is also available to taxpayer who want to file his income tax return. So it is like simplified website than the earlier complex website. This was introduced, upgraded only recently on June 7th, 2021. Last week only it was upgraded to the new website. Earlier we had a old website called income e-filing website. Now it has upgraded to e-filing 2.0 website. And when you visit to this e-filing new website, you can see this kind of portal. We can see this kind of web page here, e-filing 2.0 it is written here, and also you can have a tutorial, a small video presentation will be also available on this website, where how all the things are arranged. So when it is like a new version or new portal for you, for everyone who want to file the income tax return, so it's like a new kind of option. So we also should need to know about these things. So department has made one small video presentation here. It's like a guide, and also many things. When we see the previous website, so it was like this previous website, and login option was available in the right hand corner. Login option, register option, all these options were available in the right hand corner. And if you click now at present, if you visit to the same website, old website, and if you click on this any of this register or login here or reset password, it will take you to this page. And here in this page it will mention that please visit to the newest website. Now visit to the e-filing 2.0 website, that is www.incometax.gov.in. And also I'll mention this website and the drop down box, description box. Then when we click on the login here, login option is available here, right hand side top corner. If you click on login option, so it will take you to this page, and here we are supposed to enter the user ID, and user ID we all know that user ID is PAN number. And now also there is one more advancement here. If you have Aadhaar number, you can also log in here. You can see this PAN, Aadhaar, or other user ID. If you have any other user ID, you can click it on that. You can enter here. So this is the column where we need to enter login login details, credentials, and one more thing important here. Earlier, this checkbox option was not available. Earlier, it means website had a concept of text box where we are supposed to type that, copy that text, and if it is matching, yeah, it was logging in. Now that concept is not there. Now checkbox option is available. And next is the friend first you logged in to the new 2.0 website. So this page will appear, and here one more thing we need to come see here. This welcome to e-filing portal, and our profile percentage we can see here, profile percentage. And if you don't want, you can click, or you can click it on the upgrade. It means update the information. So here down right hand side, update information is available, and this is a comparison between old website and new website. We can see this old website and what is there in the new website and what was there in the old website dashboard. Many things were there, but now this all everything is simplified, and only few information which is very important and which is so easy to access, such kind of website is developed. And here also one more thing I like here, where we can upload our image, a profile image, or also we can take it from the Aadhaar, which is already updated in the Aadhaar. Which photo we have in Aadhaar, same we can match it here. That option is also available. And this is the tax deposit details. Then the recent file returns, what are the, if we have any recent file returns, all everything is available. But one thing I found it is not good, or it need to be updated, that is, this recently this 2.0 website is launched, and they have more problem in loading the things. So if it is once, if it is loaded, that when I click on recent file returns, once it will show no recent file returns are found. Again it will show recent years file returns. I have filed returns since 3 years, I'm filing returns since 3 years, but sometimes it will show no returns filed, sometimes it will show your my returns. So like that, it has some small technical problems, technical issues, where surely uh, CBDT will go about it and will rectify all such problems. But it's a simplified, it's a very easy website, very easy portal to file a return for a common layman, common individual. But only thing is, it will take time. Sometimes it will not log in if you put a proper correct credentials also. That is a, now we'll visit to the website, we'll try to log in there itself. If you here the top right hand side, we can find this login option. When we click on this, page will open like this. But here we'll type the login credentials. I need to type my PAN card number, then continue. Then click on this checkbox option, then password. Sometimes it will take more time, sometimes it will log in early. And you can see this here, the right hand side, we can also have a chat option. So this is welcome to the e-filing website. My name will be displayed here. And one more thing when it can find here, that is complete profile status completion. 75% have completed. If I want, I can click on this update profile or skip. Now I'll click on this skip. Now this is the dashboard. The important thing, this is a dashboard where all information is available. It means when we compared with the old website, these many informations were not there in the old website. And one more thing, just now I mentioned about this image. If I click on this, it will ask to upload it. It will ask to update the profile. And here, if I click on this, we can see here profile photo, we can change it. That profile photo, we can also link Aadhaar card profile photo which is there in the Aadhaar card, or we can also upload any other photos. Now I'll click on this dashboard. So this is the main part, main area. Yes, so this tax details, then recent file returns, and if any recent any other forms are failed or filed, or for any other information which is related to the income tax e-filing is available here. I click on this tax deposit. Now see, it is showing us no records found, but actually tax deposits are there in my account from since last 2 years. And here also it is now. See, again it came. So this last 2 years information is showing. Actually, since 3 years I'm filing, but last 2 years information it is showing, and only 2 years information is normally visible here. And here income tax returns. Here options are available to file the income tax return. This option we can click on this and view filed returns. If you filed any previous returns, we can click on this view filed returns. So this will show recent past filed income tax returns. So in the one page, three income tax returns are visible here: 1819, 1920, and 2021. Again, if you want more, we can click on this. One more thing important here. So many of us, if tax is deducted and deposited our account in our name, in our PAN card name, that will be biggest question mark to everyone. Tax will be deducted from our salary or from the payment what we are supposed to receive. But we may have one biggest confusion or will not know about whether it is same as reflected in my PAN or not. That TDS need to be deposited by the concerned deductor, deductor. So we need to find out that. Earlier we were using the we were using the method called form generating the form 26AS. Here also same thing is here. When we click on this filed income tax return, here view form 26AS. If we click on form 26AS, confirm, afterwards it will take us to the same website where earlier how it was operating. See, I'll make a separate video for this, how to generate a form 26AS. Now we'll click onto this dashboard. Again, I'll move on to the dashboard. So this is the simplest form when compared to previous one. In the previous one, more complex information was there in the dashboard. And if we want to file a return, we can click on this file income tax return. A simple things. See this authorized. One more thing important here. If you want to appoint any other person as an authorized representative of you, you can click on this. Authorize another. See, for example, I need to appoint one of my friend to act on behalf of me. I can appoint this. Or if I have any other chartered accountant on behalf of me, I can click on this. I can apply. There are some procedures where you need to fill all these details. The details are very important here. Then if any pending actions are there, if any refund, reissue pending, all these same things. But the old website, these many informations were not available so easily. But now all our informations are available, but we don't know again when amendment takes place. Again, more complications may also arise in this website also, but till now there is no any such issues. But only one issue is, so sometimes it will take more time to load. Sometimes it will take more time to load. That is the biggest problem here. If I click on file now, income tax return, this option. Actually, for first day it was not opening. Now it is opening. I can click on this assessment year 2021, recently assessment year 21-22. Then this information. So I can proceed it with the filing of return. Again, I'll go to dashboard. I'll click on this my name. Here edit option. So if I click on this edit option, all the things is I can edit. I can change this information in password, many other things. And also I can I can compare my PAN with the Aadhaar number, and also I can upload new image. Here fetch from UDI Aadhaar, or I can upload a new photo. If I want to fetch from the UDI, it means Aadhaar, my Aadhaar and Aadhaar authentication is important. OTP will be sent to concerned mobile number and also a registered mobile number which is there in the Aadhaar, and also confirmation. It means that PAN and Aadhaar should be linked. Then only we can upload all these things here. We can link Aadhaar photo here to the PAN or income tax website. Or I can, if I want to upload any other photos, also I can upload it. It's not a problem. And I can also this one more information. How many bank accounts are linked to my PAN card? That is also available. If I have any demat account, all these informations are available on fingertip. It means no need to search more. Earlier this information, it was not easily available in the old website. It is easy now. And if I want to change any login options, like if I want more secured source of login to my e-filing website, I can also follow these methods. And if I click on this bank account, I can see how many bank accounts are linked to my bank, to my PAN. Currently these two bank accounts are linked to my bank account. And if I click on dashboard again, it will go to the same page here. Like if I want to complete, if I want to update many information here, I can update it and I can complete this file. Now it is 75%. Okay, I hope you all got many information about the new 2.0 e-filing website. In near future we'll also know more about this e-filing and how to file a return through online without the help of any other intermediary.